Hey everyone, if you're getting annoying pop-ups or being redirected to weird websites while using Opera, don't worry, I will show you exactly how to stop that in just a few simple steps. First, open your Opera browser. In the top left corner, click on the Opera icon, then choose Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down to the Privacy and Security section, or just type pop in the search bar and click on Site Settings. Now click on pop-ups and redirects. Make sure the switch is set to don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. That blocks most annoying behavior right away. Next, scroll down a bit and look at the allow it to send pop-ups and redirects section. If you see any strange websites listed here, click the three dots beside them and hit remove. Alright, now let's clear any leftover junk. Go back to the main settings page and under privacy and security, click on delete browsing data. Choose all time from the time range, then check browsing history, cookies, and cached images and files. Click delete data. Also, while you're still in the settings, click on advanced and scroll down to reset settings. Click on restore settings to their original defaults and confirm. This can help if you have settings hijacked by extensions or unknown websites. Alright, now restart your browser. You should notice the pop-ups and redirects are gone. If you still face issues, consider using an ad blocker from Opera's own extension store. It really helps prevent bad sites from looting in the first place. And that's it. You have just cleaned up your Opera browser like a pro. Settings. If this guide helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. See you in the next video.